Okay, so here's how we're going to do. Oh, I forgot to do what I said I was going to do. That's okay. I'll do it in a minute. Here's the way you do these two on the calculator. So you understand that we're looking for, in order to do it on the calculator, what we need is a starting place and a stopping place. And since we're doing the curve, everything that goes from the left to the right, our starting place right here doesn't really exist. So we have to think of this starting place for, since we're starting over here on the left, and this kind of goes on forever, we're starting at like negative infinity. We're going to start at negative infinity, and then we're going to add up all the areas all the way up till we get to this z-score right here of 1.15. So our starting point is negative infinity. Our stopping point is 1.15. You need 4 pieces of information on the calculator: starting place, stopping place, your mean, and your standard deviation. If all you're doing are z-scores, your mean's going to be 0 and your standard deviation is 1, because that's what is true for the z-score. So on your calculator, you need to go to menu. We're going to go 6, and we're doing a distribution, a normal distribution. And we're doing a cumulative distribution. Why? How do I know I'm doing a cumulative distribution? Because it says cumulative area. So we're going to do a normal, because this is the normal curve, cumulative distribution. So that's what we're going to choose. Lower bound, that's your starting place. So whenever you think about lower bound, you think of your starting place. Our starting place is going to be negative infinity. Well, the calculator doesn't understand negative infinity. It needs a number. So negative 9, and this E means that this is the exponent on scientific notation. Negative 9, this is kind of like times 10 raised to the 99th power. That's like having 99 negative 9s. Okay, so it's negative 9999999. It's a humongous negative number. That's as close as we can get. I'll show you how to put that E in, and well, I'll just go ahead and do it right now. So if that number's not there, you do negative 9, and down here, you see where my cursor is? It's this EE button, and you just do what I think it was 3 9s. I don't remember. 999. But that's the way we type in negative infinity. Where were we stopping? What was our upper bound? Our upper bound was 1.15. That's our z-score. And then all of these have a standard, a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So all you have to do is tap down to OK and press enter. Here it types it in for you and gives you the answer, 0.8749. And I believe that's what we had right here, 0.8749. Okay, so this one right here, it's the same thing. We're going to start over here at negative infinity, and we're going to go up to negative 0.24. So we're going to go menu 6, 5, 2. Lower bound's negative infinity. We're going to stop at negative 0.24. Mean and standard deviation are 0 and 1. Tab down to 0. Press OK. 0.405. Now we're going to round to 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this says 5165. This is the 4th decimal place right here. That is a 1. We look to the right of it. We see it's a number bigger than 5. So we're going to write down 0.4052. 0.4052. 0.4052. Same thing that the table gave us. So this one, I'm not going to use the table. I'm just going to go ahead and straight use the calculator. You should always, 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 though, show me the drawing, because you're not going to get full credit on your test if you don't have a drawing with the area that it represents. I always make you do that. Cumulative area that corresponds to z-score. This right here is a z-score of negative 2.19. So starting place is negative infinity. Stopping place is negative 2.19. Menu 6, 5, 2. Lower bound is infinity. Upper bound is negative 2.19. Tab, tab, tab. Press enter, and the answer is 0.014. 3. 0.143. 0.143. Probability that the z-score is less than negative 2.19 is, I don't remember what I said. 0.0143. 0.0143. All right. It's not going to stay that easy, of course, because now I'm going to talk about finding the area to not always to the left. This one is says they want to find the area that corresponds to the z-score. Oh no, this is the same one. Okay, so I have no idea how long this video has been going because I forgot to set my timer. So I am going to stop this one right now. You go ahead and practice either using the table or use the calculator and put the answer to that one. And I promise this time I'll start the next video with the answer to number 4. And then number 5, notice right here it changes because it says to the right. So number 4 is just like all the other ones. Number 5 is different. So I'll be right back.